Babe, will you video camera me?
Yeah.
Today I'm going to teach you guys how to make an automatic bottle rocket launcher. It's freezing outside, so I gotta put some clothes on. This is the bottle rocket launcher. So I've got two pieces of wood on the side, and then a skinnier piece in the middle, and I've drilled holes through the side and put nails through here so it pivots off of here. And then I've drilled holes all along the top and put the bottle rockets in. And then on where the sparkler lights the fuses, I've taken my skill saw, made it so the blade comes out about 1/8 of an inch, and ran it along here. And that way the sparkler fits right down in this groove and it'll light the bottle rockets. And this can pivot so you can shoot at your neighbors or unexpected friend.
Awesome. Bad idea.
Note taken.
Why are we doing this? I don't know. It's not working! I'm not right back. It's acting like it's done, but there's more. Woohoo! Happy New Year!
That stinks.
Thanks, Tyler.
Dude, one shot me right in the leg.
You're welcome.